Hi!
Hello!
We are going to do the... What's it called?
Is it best friend tag?
No.
No.
Do you know what your friends do tag?
Is that what that is?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Do you know what your friends do tag?
Okay.
I am a data analyst.
Analyst?
Data
Hello.
analyst. And Janelle
I am a... What am I?
She is
What do I call that?
sex educator / therapist. See, I'm going to ask her questions about what I do, and she's going to ask me questions about what she does.
Right.
Okay? You want to go first since you're the guest?
Full disclosure, we both think our jobs are boring.
No, I don't think our
job. No. You think that my job is boring.
Yes.
And I think that your job is hella boring.
Yes.
So, I'm just saying. Do I start?
You start.
Okay. I'll give you an easy one.
Okay.
LGBT.
Lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender.
Yes.
Yay!
Yay! She got it right.
You have to know this one. Okay.
That makes it worse if I don't know it.
Do you know the difference
Between a bit.
The question is, do you know the difference between a bit and a byte?
And you would think I would look that up because that's our movie and I've watched it a million times.
Oh my God, I'm crying.
So one would think that I actually looked it up to know the difference between a bit and a byte. No.
How do you not know that though?
How do I know that? Why would I know that? All right. Epididymis.
What?
Epididymis.
Okay, well, it sounds like epidemic, so I'm going to say epididymis. Something that has to do with an epidemic.
No. No.
What is it?
Epididymis is a body part. It's a part of male reproduction. It's connected to, or it's the next path after the sperm leaves the testicle.
Oh my God.
And that's the epididymis, and that's where it gets its little tail and looks like a little tadpole and is able to swim.
Ew.
Happens in the epididymis. The more you know.
You should know this one.
Stop saying I should. Stop saying I should know stuff. It's making me feel dumb.
I talk about this all the time though.
Query. Sequel.
Woo!
Sequel.
Yes.
No. I don't know. Sequel. Well, first you have the first movie, and then you have the sequel, and that's what a sequel is.
Oh my God.
It's the second part of a movie. Sequel. Done. Next question. SQL. Sequel.
SQL is structured query language. It's a language you use to communicate to the database.
Perineum.
Say it again.
Perineum.
Perineum. A perineum.
You say a perineum? So close. It's so close. So close. Not at all, but it's so close.
What is it?
Perineum is that space between the anus.
Oh my God!
What? I'm a sex educator, okay? It's gonna be talking about between the legs a little bit. It's that space in between the anus and the scrotum for men. And don't say I should know this one ever. Don't say that again because you're making me look dumb. I'm giving you real easy ones. It is kind of hot. Okay, what is, and you don't have to tell me what the letters stand for, but what is it? HCG. HCG. Yes, it's very important.
The human capability, growth, human.
Human is right.
Okay.
Human But I told you didn't have to tell me what the letters stand for. You just have to tell me what it is.
Oh, what it is?
It
is like HPV. It's it's like HPV. It's a virus.
Oh.
Is HPV a virus?
HPV is a virus. Okay. Very good. It doesn't get you any points. But yes, HPV is a virus.
Okay.
PSA on that later. But this is not HPV.
What is it?
HCG
okay.
is the hormone that you look for when you want to find out if somebody is pregnant. When you take a pregnancy test, so like when you pee on a stick or you get a blood draw, that's what they're looking for, is the existence of that hormone. Can I do fun facts?
Sure.
Fun fact. That hormone releases out of the body also when somebody has cancer. So if a guy took a pregnancy test and it came out positive, like if he was just playing around to take a pregnancy test, like haha, it's funny. If it came out positive, there's a possibility that it's positive because he might have cancer.
Oh no!
Right? Oh, it's not so much fun fact as it's like a sad fact. Yeah, it's horrible. Right? It's horrible. You did not get that right. It's not even a little bit. Get it right.
Okay, I think you'll get this one.
She said that for everyone.
All right, what is code?
What is code?
Yeah.
Code is a thing that you write to make programs or queries and stuff.
That's semi-right, yes.
They're throwing me all these bones.
They are statements that you write in a programming language.
That's exactly what I said. Coitus interruptus.
You interrupt coitus. Like someone that gets distracted during coitus.
I got distracted. Got a little coitus interruptus going on.
Exactly.
I don't know if I should give you partial credit for that silliness. Coitus interruptus is when it literally means to interrupt or to stop intercourse, yes, but it is usually for the purpose of not getting somebody pregnant. So you stop before
I think I got that
you finish.
I got that right. I think I got that right.
Okay, here's what you do. You leave a comment down below if you think that she should get that right.
What is a fuzzy number?
I thought I had the sex ones. Wait. A fuzzy number. Is it a number that's not like a whole number? It has like fractions of numbers at the end? No?
Fractions of numbers at the end?
I don't know, like a decimal? Like a fraction of a whole number. Like 10.2?
A fuzzy number is a number that isn't exactly accurate. Like it's sort of like a guess. It's sort of fuzzy if that's the real number.
Is that a real thing?
Yes, it's
or did y'all just make this up?
No, it's a real thing.
So if I open a textbook, it's gonna say something about fuzzy numbers?
It should.
It shouldn't. What is a merkin?
A fake.
Damn it!
Hair.
Why do you know that? Did I tell you that?
No. Who doesn't know that?
I didn't think you knew that. Why do you know that? Who have you been talking to about merkins?
I just hear it on TV. I don't know.
Merkin.
My turn.
I'm impressed that she knew that one.
What is...
I don't know.
This is an algorithm. Oh, you look at
it's like a formula.
An algorithm is like a set of instructions for how to do something. So, for example, the algorithm for how to wash your hair or for washing your hair would be wet your hair, put soap in your hair.
Wait a minute, that's close to like the Excel stuff. So like it gives you the instructions on how to add or subtract and
no.
Whatever, I already took this shot. I hate you. Well, I'm not that stupid. It's just my expertise is not over here.
Well, I didn't know epidemiologist.
Epididymis, not epidemiology.
That's a word, right?
Epidemiology is a word.
What does it mean?
Epidemiology, I think, is the study of
skin.
No! That's
What is metadata?
Metadata. Data.
Like Meta World Peace, the basketball player. You don't know who that is?
I know who that. I'm gonna punch you in the face. I know who Meta World Peace is. I'm looking at you because Meta World Peace is not gonna help me know what metadata is, okay? Because I'm not gonna say that metadata is a basketball player who is the cousin of Meta World Peace, okay? So that's not gonna help me.
Oh gosh.
Don't be acting like you try to help me when you're not trying to help me.
Okay, go on.
This game just might ruin a friendship, y'all. 20 years. 20 years down the drain.
Alright, go on. What is it?
Metadata is data that's like shrunk down to specific pieces. No? It's like it's meta, like it's little.
No.
Or like it's data on data on data on data. I don't know.
That last part was sort of right.
So it's data on data on data on data. It's meta.
Metadata is data about the data. So like if you send an email, the metadata of the email would be like the size of the email, when was it created.
Okay, where is the male G-spot located?
Okay, so is anus the correct answer? Is it near the anus?
It's inside.
Inside the anus? I didn't know the anus had parts inside.
It's inside the male body. I guess technically it's not inside the anus. But you get to it via the anus.
Oh! The colon? Oh!
Okay, you don't get no more guesses. How about that? You don't guess like 5 times. It's the prostate gland.
That's what I was thinking of!
Prostate gland is stimulated.
Where is the prostate?
Prostate gland.
Okay, so here. This one I will give you a hint.
Because I'm so stupid. Because I'm so dumb.
What is Hello World? Now, this is...
What is Hello World?
Okay, the hint...
Hello World!
I'm coming back! And I'm coming back!
Can you feel a brand new day? Can you? Sorry.
Let me give you the hint.
Give me a hint. Hello World.
The hint is, remember when I wrote that long thing and I told you to test it out and you're like, that's it? That's Hello World.
Is it a system you use to write queries?
No.
No, what?
Hello World is typically the first program that someone learns how to do.
Does that count?
What was your answer?
Let's make this the last one. I did not know this. If you know this,
okay, what?
I'm going home. What is a VBAC?
A VBAC?
A VBAC. VBAC.
Someone that has
Tuesday?
Someone that has a vertical back as opposed to a horizontal, like scoliosis back.
What is a horizontal?
Like a scoliosis back, someone whose back is curved.
You do know the difference between horizontal and vertical, right? VBAC, no. VBAC stands for vaginal. I swear, anytime I say a word that sounds like vagina or penis, her face, you should do a close-up on that face that you just made.
Okay. Alright, let me guess the rest.
Vaginal.
Vaginal blemish autocorrection.
No. So vaginal birth after
C-section.
Yes.
What?
No. We tag all of you to get your friends together, and you guys can figure out who knows more about what you do.
Right. Yes.
There you go. Holla at your girl. 1%.
Bye.
Bye.